Welcome to eLearning Hub. Do you feel scared to speak English? Today, you will learn through a real story. This is Zoe's first day at college. She is nervous, she is unsure, but she tries. Listen carefully and speak with her. Hi, my name is Zoe, and today is my first day at college. I woke up before my alarm rang. I wanted to start my day fresh. I kept thinking, today I will try to speak in English. Maybe people will talk to me. Maybe I will make some friends. My chest felt calm and steady. I sat on my bed for a few seconds. I just looked at the wall and thought about my day. Today was my first day at college, and I was getting ready. Now it's time for vocabulary. Listen carefully and try to understand words. Nervous means feeling worried or scared. Heavy feeling means feeling pressure or sadness inside. Afraid means scared of something. Stared means looked at something for a long time. Repeat after me. I feel nervous, but I keep going. I feel nervous, but I keep going. My heart feels heavy, but I stay calm. My heart feels heavy, but I stay calm. I am afraid, but I speak anyway. I am afraid, but I speak anyway. I stared at the lesson and learned something new. I stared at the lesson and learned something new. My mother called me from the kitchen. Get ready, you will be on time. Her voice was normal, and my mind felt better. I walked to the mirror. I looked at myself. I tried to smile, and it slowly felt real. I chose my clothes carefully. I picked an outfit I liked. It felt comfortable. It felt right. I just wanted to look like myself. Confident and simple. While eating breakfast, I was quiet but calm. My parents were talking, and I started listening. I was thinking about college, about people, about English, learning English. What is your name? That is easy. Where are you from? That is also easy. I can answer more too. I can understand step by step. I will try my best. Now it's time for vocabulary. Listen carefully and try to understand words. Freeze means stop thinking suddenly. Overthink means think too much about something. Pretend means act like something is true. Small means feeling less confident than others. Repeat after me. I stay calm when I am nervous. I stay calm when I am nervous. I think clearly and slowly. I think clearly and slowly. I stay real and confident. I stay real and confident. I feel confident every day. I feel confident every day. I reached the college gate. I paused for a moment. Then I moved forward. Students were walking in groups. Some were laughing happily. Some were talking fast. In English. Fluent English. The kind I am learning to speak. I looked at my phone. I checked it for a moment. I felt relaxed. I felt like I am improving. Better step by step. Better confidence. Better English. I felt stronger. For a moment, I thought, I am ready for this. I belong here. Then a boy walked past me. He looked a little nervous too. Just like me. I realized something. Maybe I am not the only one. Maybe many of us are learning. Now, it's time for vocabulary. Listen carefully and try to understand words. Realize means understand something suddenly. Belong means feel accepted in a place. Notice means to see or observe something. Confidence means belief in yourself. Repeat after me. I realized something important. I realized something important. I belong here. I belong here. People notice good things. People notice good things. I have confidence. I took a deep breath. One step, then another. And I entered the college. The campus was big. Very big. I looked around. I started exploring. I saw a notice board. Many papers. Many instructions. I read slowly. And I started understanding. Now, it's time for vocabulary. Listen carefully and try to understand words. Notice board means place with important information. Instructions means directions or steps to follow. Blank means unable to think. Comfortable means feeling relaxed and easy. Repeat after me. I checked the notice board. I checked the notice board. I followed the instructions. I followed the instructions. My mind stayed clear. My mind stayed clear. I feel comfortable now. I feel comfortable now. Are you in first year? I turned around. A girl was standing there. She looked calm. She smiled. I nodded. I felt confident. She said same. Just one word. But it helped. We stood together. Not talking much. But not alone anymore. Which class? She asked. I showed her my phone. She checked. Same class, she said. We walked together. Slowly. Silently. But it felt easier now. Inside the classroom. I stayed calm. Students were already sitting. Talking. Laughing. Comfortable. I looked for a seat. That felt comfortable. We sat there. I kept my bag close. Like support. My bag felt like support. The teacher entered. The room became quiet. She started speaking. English. Clear. Fast. Confident. I tried to understand. And I kept trying. I understood some words. Then more sentences. Everyone was learning. Taking notes. Understanding. Then the teacher asked a question. Simple. My mind stayed calm. She looked around. Anyone? My heart was beating fast. I knew the answer. I thought. I will try. Slowly. I raised my hand. The teacher looked at me. Yes. My voice was soft. Words were simple. Grammar was learning. But I spoke. For a few seconds, the class was silent. Then the teacher smiled. Good. Just one word. But it changed something inside me. Maybe I don't need perfect English. Maybe I just need courage. After class, the same girl smiled again. You did well. I smiled back. This time, it felt real. We walked out together, talking a little more. Still simple, but better. That day, I started becoming confident. I started improving my English. I took one step. And sometimes that is enough. First, subscribe, but before you go, let me ask you something. What was your first day at college like? Try to speak or describe it in English. Write your answer in the comments. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just try. Here is a simple way to speak. My first day at college was exciting. I felt happy because I met new people. I was excited and confident. I talked to my classmates. It was a great experience. Now, your turn. Write your answer in the comments or speak it aloud with me. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need courage. And today, you already took one step.